Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn the different usages of the first person pronoun. So let us start with the word my. En, and you can also say ennoda. For example, my name is Shrutika. En பெயர் Shrutika. என்னோட பெயர் Shrutika. So you can also use en and என்னோட. The second word is I. So you can also say நான் and எனக்கு depending on the following verb. For example, I am walking. நான் நடக்கிறேன். I know it. எனக்கு தெரியும். So the depending on the verb, the word நான் or எனக்கு changes. So hope you learned this difference between my and I. See you in the part 2 with some other first person pronouns. Hope you learned this. Nandri. Want to speak like a native Tamil speaker? Join us at ilearntamil.com.